So I heard an interesting story that Merb34st and I agree on something. So I don't have all the facts, but what I've heard is someone in Kate's Discord, aka a member of her troll farm, went to confront Chili and was egged on by the Discord members. They helped this person track down where Chili was using, what's the term, geo something? Geoguessing. I think that's what it is. So Daniel Clement is the guy's name. And there's also rumor that he has, before he went and did that, he took a picture of himself with bear spray and a tape measure. And that the tape measure was to measure Chili's height, to see how tall he actually is. I cannot make this stuff up. It is so crazy. So then he says he's going to get a restraining order against Chili. I mean, I don't know if he went to court or if he printed these forms up, but Merb says he's checked and he has indeed found a restraining order. However, Mr. Clement apparently shared these images and lied to the Discord people to try and get, the reason they all do this stuff is not only because Kate's directing them and facilitating them, but, to get cred in the community. So Dan wants to look like he's a winner, so he claims to have a TRO, a temporary restraining order. And this is his proof. So you see here under item 4, he has checked the box, granted. And then he has all this stuff scribbled out, has the address entered as confidential. And I agree. Looks completely fake. Like, I'm not sure about the address confidential, but I'm pretty sure it needs to be a mailing address. It says right there, it doesn't have to be your mailing address, but it has to be a mailing address. And then why would he black out the notice of hearing if it was real? I don't know. And why not post the rest of the page? So Merb also says he has looked at the electronic record and apparently there's nothing mentioned. I have not researched that. I do not know if a temporary restraining order would be an electronic record. I think Merb questions that too. So it's funny. Merb and I agree. This temporary restraining order seems to be pretty fake. And like Merb said, you still need to serve them. So Dan, if this is real, here's what you do. If Chili comes within 100 feet of you, call the police and have the police serve it to him. Otherwise, good luck serving him at his home, especially if it's fake. I mean, maybe you can serve him. Maybe he'll be there. You guys should be able to track him down pretty good if you actually want to serve him, right? Using your geoguessing. So, yeah, Chili, don't go selling your gun yet unless you want to. Right? I guess maybe if you've been wanting to sell it, you could sell it. And that could be some of your damages from him filing the false restraining order. Because I believe that Chili has all the evidence from the Discord. That's all I have for today. And I did not say a single time. I've replaced it with like Kate uses. Leave your comments if you want. They are being moderated, but I will respond to ones that aren't simply calling me names, where there's something I can actually respond to. And if there's no false information in it. If you question the information, the legal information that I'm providing, ask it in a question way. Don't say that I am wrong and then post stupid stuff, because it's not going to stay there, because it might lead someone astray. These are how-to videos. Thank you. Goodbye.